Pantera is a lithium brine asset in the US. Now, today is not a great time to be in the small side of the industry of lithium. We're in the dark part of the lithium winter at the moment. I've been involved in lithium for 8 years. I know when you come through, this is the time you should be investing. Now, what do we know from what we've experienced in the past? What we've experienced is brine assets are at the lowest end of the cost curve. A good brine asset is the best place to be in lithium. I think what we have in Pantera has every reason why we should expect to be a good brine asset right at the low end of the cost curve. So I'll explain why and talk you through the story. So the asset we have is an oil field brine. Now, oil fields have been known to have brine and lithium attached to the brine for a long, long time. But typically, the oil field brines all around the world have very low-grade lithium attached. Field brines all around the world have very low-grade lithium attached to them. The one exception to that, which has only really appeared in the last 18 months, is what's known as the Smackover Formation, which is in the US, is 600 miles long, and it's basically an area which has been mined for oil and gas for 100 years. The grade there of lithium, basically the rest of the formation is pretty stable, but the lithium grade goes from east to west and gets higher and higher grade. The furthest west is Texas and Arkansas, and the grades there are 300 plus parts per million, very much aligned really with the grades which you see in the lithium triangle, with the exception of the 6 or 7 really strong projects in lithium triangle. All the others are 300 to 400. So we have grade in this Smackover Formation. I say east to west is the place, so you want to be west. Texas is the furthest west. There's uncertainty in Texas on who owns the rights, so no one's looking there. Where everyone is focused is Arkansas. And that's where we are. So we are the furthest west in Arkansas. We have 25,000 just over acres of land, which makes us basically the 3rd or 4th largest. Right next to us is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil bought in last year purely for the lithium. We don't know the exact amount they paid because it wasn't material to them, but it's in the hundreds of millions. We have a market cap of 10 mil. We're a quarter the size of them. So we think certainly we're in the right location, and the other people there are Albemarle, Standard Lithium, etc. Big companies. We're the only small junior. So this year we spent our time amassing the land position, and we've now got it to a place which is substantial. Now we start the exploration. We expect to be re-entering a well this quarter, hopefully sooner rather than later. We have Schlumberger doing some 3D work for us. We have the rig contracted. So we're basically ready to go in, re-enter a well, go down, take out some brine, confirm grade, porosity, permeability, and then work out the right DLE. Thereafter, resource, pathway to production. So that's basically the story. Very early days, very, very cheap market cap amongst the giants of the game. So please, anyone who wants more, come and see me. Thank you.